Hello viewers, iPhone reset Face ID option not working. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix iPhone reset Face ID option not working problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings. Now scroll down and find privacy and security option. Now click on it. Now scroll down. Now find stolen device protection and click on it. Now turn off stolen device protection option. Just turn off it. Now go back to reset Face ID settings. And see reset Face ID option is available now. Now try to reset Face ID and see reset Face ID option working now. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.